How does cellular respiration work in anatomy? Have you ever wondered how our bodies convert food into energy? The answer lies in a fascinating process called cellular respiration. This process is essential for our cells, tissues, and organs to function properly. Let's break it down step by step. Cellular respiration is how cells turn nutrients, especially glucose, into energy. This energy comes in the form of adenosine triphosphate, commonly known as ATP. ATP is like the fuel that powers everything our cells do. Without it, our bodies would struggle to perform even the simplest tasks. The first stage of cellular respiration is glycolysis. This occurs in the cytoplasm, which is the fluid inside the cell. Here, one glucose molecule, which has 6 carbon atoms, is split into 2 molecules of pyruvate, each with 3 carbon atoms. This process does not need oxygen, making it anaerobic. Glycolysis produces a small net gain of 2 ATP molecules and 2 molecules of nicotinamide adenine dinucleotide, which carry electrons for the next steps. Next, we move on to pyruvate oxidation. The pyruvate molecules then enter the mitochondria, the powerhouse of the cell. Each pyruvate is transformed into acetyl coenzyme A. During this conversion, carbon dioxide is released, and more nicotinamide adenine dinucleotide is generated. Now let's talk about the citric acid cycle, also known as the Krebs cycle. Acetyl coenzyme A enters this cycle inside the mitochondria. Through a series of reactions, it is further broken down. This process releases more carbon dioxide and produces additional nicotinamide adenine dinucleotide and another electron carrier called flavin adenine dinucleotide, along with a small amount of ATP. The final stage is the electron transport chain and oxidative phosphorylation. This takes place along the inner membrane of the mitochondria. Here, nicotinamide adenine dinucleotide and flavin adenine dinucleotide donate electrons to a series of protein complexes. As the electrons move through these complexes, protons are pumped across the membrane, creating a concentration gradient. When protons flow back through an enzyme called ATP synthase, a large amount of ATP is produced, accounting for about 90% of the total ATP generated. Oxygen plays a vital role here as the final electron acceptor, combining with electrons and protons to form water. Overall, cellular respiration is an efficient way to convert the chemical energy in glucose into ATP. This energy is crucial for powering essential functions like muscle contractions, nerve impulses, and the synthesis of new molecules. Each of these processes supports the operation of our organs and body systems, making cellular respiration a fundamental aspect of human anatomy. In cells that lack mitochondria or are in low oxygen environments, glycolysis becomes the primary method for ATP production, which, while less efficient, is still vital for survival.